The Bobcat stand-on aerator is designed to safely and efficiently aerate lawns. Before using the aerator, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the instructions in this video, as well as the operation and maintenance manual and the engine manual to avoid injury to yourself, others, or damage to the machine. In addition, always comply with any local regulations that may apply. You will see the safety alert symbol throughout the operation and maintenance manual and on pictorial safety signs. This identifies important hazards you should avoid to reduce the possibility of serious injury or death. Always follow the instructions in the safety message. While it is impossible to cover every situation you may encounter during operation, this video presents several topics, including safe handling and operation, safety features, terrain considerations, and other safety precautions. Your stand-on aerator was built with safety in mind, but safety also depends on you. Operators should receive training in the safety features and operating practices of the aerator. Familiarize yourself with the safety signs on your aerator and replace any that are damaged or missing. Perform the rest of your daily inspection before operating the machine. Wear appropriate safety gear, including hearing protection, safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, and long pants. Avoid loose clothing or jewelry to prevent entanglement with the machine. Securely tie back long hair. As with any gasoline-fueled machine, do not operate in enclosed areas. Avoid operating under low-light conditions. Do not operate if you're experiencing drowsiness or under the influence of alcohol or drugs that may affect your judgment or reaction time. Check for job site hazards and surface conditions. Ensure the operating area is free of obstructions like rocks, debris, sprinkler heads, or other objects that could be damaged or thrown by the machine. Be mindful of obstacles in the operating area. If you can't remove an obstacle, mark it so you can navigate around it. Exercise caution near drop-offs or uneven ground. Bobcat aerators are designed for single operator use. Do not operate when bystanders, especially children or pets, are in the area. Establish a safety zone to ensure the aerator is operated at a safe distance from such hazards. Additionally, make sure the ground has been prepared for your job. You should avoid aerating wet turf and operating on slopes where loss of stability and traction could occur. Turf that is too dry may limit penetration and could damage the tines. Before starting, set the tine depth stops to the desired aeration depth. Check the return to neutral function of the traction control levers by moving the levers fully forward and releasing. Then repeat in reverse. The controls should quickly return to neutral when released. Contact your dealer if service is needed. When ready to operate, lower the operator platform to stand in the operator's position. Move the choke to the appropriate setting. Then ensure the parking brake is engaged and all controls are in the neutral position. Turn the key to start the engine. Move the throttle lever to the maximum speed while operating. The operator presence control shuts down the engine if it is engaged at the same time as the parking brake. Check the function of this control by following the instructions in the operation and maintenance manual and contact your dealer if service is needed. To begin operating the machine, disengage the parking brake, then engage the OPC by moving the left traction control lever to the neutral position. To drive in a straight line, move both traction levers evenly. To turn, move the levers to different positions. The further the controls are moved from the neutral position, the faster the machine will go, and the further they are apart, the faster the machine will turn. Remember to always raise the tines and look down and behind the machine before and while traveling in reverse. Operate across slopes, not up and down. Keep all movement on the slopes slow and gradual. To begin aerating, lower the tines by rocking the raise lower switch forward. Then drive the machine forward to aerate. Raise the tines when making a turn less than 4 feet in radius, when crossing hard surfaces such as driveways or sidewalks, or while going over objects like sprinkler heads. At the end of the pass, return the control levers to the neutral position to stop and raise the tines. To stop the machine, place the traction control levers in the neutral position. Raise the tines, engage the parking brake, and turn the key switch to the off position. Ensure the tines and all moving parts have come to a complete stop before leaving the operator position. Be sure to turn off the fuel shutoff valve before transporting the machine off-site. When transporting your aerator, follow the instructions in the operation and maintenance manual. Regular maintenance of your aerator promotes safe and efficient operation. Failure to maintain your machine will result in excessive wear and early failures. Gasoline is extremely flammable, and gasoline vapors are explosive. Use extra care when handling. A fire or explosion from gasoline can cause serious injury or death. Allow the engine to cool before fueling. Fill the fuel tank in a well-ventilated area and with the machine on level ground. Do not overfill the fuel tank. Make sure the fuel cap is correctly installed. If fuel is spilled, do not attempt to start the engine until the spill is cleaned up and vapors have dissipated. Keep fuel containers electrically grounded to prevent static electricity sparks. Perform your daily inspection. Maintenance procedures that are not addressed in the operation and maintenance manual must be performed only by qualified service personnel. Operators should be trained in the safety features and operation practices before using Bobcat aerators. It is essential that training be provided in a language the operator can understand and that they have opportunities to ask questions. Training should cover the key points discussed in this video. Operators should receive refresher training when covering new terrain, operating new equipment, or whenever deemed necessary. Always use your best judgment and be aware of your surroundings. Remember the safety instructions from this video, the operation and maintenance manual, and engine manual when operating your aerator. These tips will help you get the most out of your Bobcat aerator and allow you to stay safe while getting the job done. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Bobcat equipment, contact your dealer or visit bobcat.com/training.